Hi there, and welcome to Camp Cookin' with Saucy Sean's Fine Eats, where we make real food for real people, and hopefully you're a real person. So on this trip, we're doing things a bit different. We're car camping. Backpacking didn't work out for me this weekend, so here I am. And we're going to do things different. This is great. There's fire restrictions, but we're allowed to have a fire here, which is really nice. So I can do some fire top cooking, which I really love to do. For this morning's meal, I'm going to be making bacon in the cast iron pan. If you haven't switched to cast iron yet for your frying pans, I really encourage you to. They really are a useful tool. If I have to cook on the stove, I brought my Coleman 2-burner propane. I could have brought my Dragonfly, but I thought I'd be a bit different this weekend. And we're just going to keep going here and see how things go. So we're going to do bacon and hash browns over the fire, one at a time. If I brought 2 fry pans, I could cook them together, but I didn't, so we're good. So I'm going to try something different today. I bought some President's Choice old-fashioned style peppercorn bacon. I've never had peppercorn bacon. I've had President's Choice old-fashioned style bacon before, and actually it's become one of my favorite types of bacon, but never this peppercorn, so I'm going to give it a go. Now, I didn't go totally civil here on this trip. You know, if I need a knife, I still got my K-bar, which we need to do a review on, because this is a great tool. Just don't have it in Britain, because then you'll probably get arrested for having an offensive weapon or something silly. Yes, you know it's Sean. He's going to make all sorts of comments. So we're just going to get this bacon out of here. It looks like they just took their old-fashioned bacon and threw coarse ground pepper at it. I'm okay with that. Hear that sizzle. This is the great thing about cast iron. You can use it, well, maybe not an induction top, but you can use it at home. You can use it while camping. You can use it over a fire, on a stove. I just love it. It is so versatile. So, you know me and bacon. Maybe you don't, but I like it thick. I like it dry. I don't like it overly crisp when it's cooked. So we're going to get this in here, and we're just going to work at cooking it for a little while here. Now, after I'm done handling this, yes, I'm going to go wash my hands, because, you know, we don't want to kill anybody. Although a really good bacon is fully cured, and you can just eat it out of the package. This is not. It is uncooked. It says right there on the package, uncooked. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is going to be so good. Do I plan on eating all this myself this morning? No, 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 no. If I'm lucky, Sarah will come by and have some. But, once it's open, it's easiest just to cook it. So I'm just going to pause for a second here and go clean up my hands. So this is nice. The fire is nice and hot. This pan got nice and hot. This particular pan works best over a fire, actually. It's kind of cool that way. But I'm going to try and make sure this doesn't all stick in there on me. So yeah, this just looks like peppery bacon. I'm interested to see how it turns out. Now, I have to ask you, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? Have you, honestly? If you haven't, would you, please? Would you give this video a like and a thumbs up? Right now, just go down there, do it. Thank you, I appreciate it. So we're going to let this cook for a little while. Obviously we want our bacon cooked. We don't want it raw. We don't want it super crispy. You might. I don't. Don't judge. I'm not judging you. You're not judging me. We have that agreement, right? Good. And yeah, we'll have some breakfast in a little while. I'll let you see it when it's done. Thanks for watching me. Well, welcome back. Our bacon's been cooking a while here. Now we're camping, so time doesn't matter much. But I got this coming to a good point here, so I'm going to take it off and we're going to try this peppered bacon. I am curious about it, that's for sure. Oh, this looks really good, guys. And food always tastes better when you're outdoors anyways, so. Gonna get some of this into here. Oh, this looks so good. Leave that for a couple more minutes. Now, I got a fork over here, so let's see what we think of this, shall we? I mean, let's not be civilized here. Let's just grab a big chunk of it. It's good. Actually, the pepper flavor is there. It's really not heavy. It's not adding any heat or anything that would concern me to serve it to some friends who really don't like spicy food. It's just plain good. Given a choice on sale again, I'd buy it again for sure. So, you know what? I'm gonna give it a really good passing grade here. I would recommend this to you. So, give it a try. Go camping. Use cast iron. Don't waste that grease. That's going to make hash browns in a few minutes. But this bacon is definitely worth a go. So, Saucy Sean says yes. Now, give me the thumbs up. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Hot. Oh yeah.